it's me, Jenny, again, and this time I'm with
Kevin Breeze. What's going on?
And we're here at CES Unveil. This is my first one, so I'm very excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, it's my 5th CES. Looking forward to many more after this too. So yeah, I'm very excited for the wonderful week ahead of us.
So let's go in.
So, wow, look at that. We're both vlogging each other.
Oh my gosh, it's a lot. Whoa. So many booths. Oh my goodness.
It's AI, it also connects to your brainwaves.
Yes.
This is Wade. Share your channel.
My name is Wade. I run a channel called TechDaily. If you want any smartphone tips, tricks, buyer's guides, accessories, anything like that, I'm your guy. How you doing?
So 3 of us are friends. Well, him and I are more than friends, but here we are.
What do you think? This is your first CES Unveiled. It's your first CES event. What do you
At first glance, overwhelming. But yeah, no, I'm excited actually.
And keep in mind, this is the small event. It only gets bigger from here. No pressure.
So no pressure.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hey, what's up?
What's going on? We're at Samsung First Look right now. Taking a first look at Samsung products.
Okay, and today we are finally at CES.
We're here. We're on the main show floor right now.
I'm so excited. This is my very first CES, as we mentioned before. And it looks overwhelming, but let's see what else is out there.
Yeah, we've got a lot to explore and check out. Hey,
Hi, handsome.
we're heading over to Nikon right now. Can't wait.
Look good in Nikon.
Yeah?
I like your
Got the
Nikon
bag?
purse.
You like that?
Yes, fashionista.
Right?
So here we are, finally, we're checking out the Nikon booth at
back
CES. First of all, thank you so much. This is filmed with Nikon Z30. Thank
Got
you
mine right here.
Thank you
Very
for
cool.
sending these for us, and I really love the footage. What do you think?
Yeah, we've got the whole creator vlogging set up here as well. They set us up with the microphone, we also have a grip, and also some chargers and extra batteries. So everything we need for the ideal vlogging experience.
Yeah. Watching him at work. Get him go. Get him go.
With the ripple tap.
Hey!
Last day.
Hello, hello. Back at it again here in the Lake Promenade in Las Vegas. How do you feel?
Tired.
Tired? It's been a very long week.
It's been a plenty week.
It has. We had a fantastic lunch, and it's been exhausting 4 nights here.
What a
and
fun
I
4
am,
nights.
I am ready to sleep for about a week and completely hibernate. We haven't even.
Walking away from these boys. Just checking the camera as usual.
That was my.
I am tired, but I did have a great CES. As I said earlier, this is my first CES, so I'm like, oh, like I was nervous, but I think it was lovely. It was great to see my old friends from other events before.
We're over here at Caesar's Palace. Does Caesar actually live here or not?
Guys, this is what I had to deal with this whole trip. Thank you again. Thank you, Nikon. I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog.